and welcome to our channel, Di Kumahay Vlogs. Today's vlog is an unboxing of my first Jordan 1 shoes in low style. So I have been having Jordan 1 shoes, but they were in mid. So this one is low. So this is my first one. So I'll see if I will like wearing it, see if it's comfortable. So this is the color. The color is the Mulberry black, light Mulberry black. So in women's size this time, because as I have said from a previous vlog that I can also fit into youth size, which is size 7. In women's you can fit into a 6Y, 6 youth in the youth size. But this time this one only comes in the women's. So I've got size 7, and that's in UK size is 4.5. So that's the one there, and I've got it for $160. And I've got it online. Lucky I managed to grab it from Foot Locker, because normally online they get sold out pretty quick. But I think I just got lucky that when I looked at the site, the website, this has just been released. So here we go, and let's have a look. So there you go. That's the from Foot Locker sneaker store. So they come in, it's light Mulberry. That's what it says in the box. So I have been having the mid cut, the mid style of the Jordan 1, but this time this is just low. So hopefully it's it'll be comfortable as the mid style. So that's the one, folks. Now it looks like, so in the low style, the Jordan what you call that, the design is on the back. Compared to the mid one, it's on the this would be on the side here, just like this one here. So as you can see, that one is in the side, because that's the mid, and compared to this one, the low one. So that is just pretty much hopefully it's like leather material. I think this one is kind of like the same as the blue one, the blue mid one. So that's the one, and that's the sole there. So there you go, folks. That's my first Jordan 1 shoes in low design, low style. So I'm so lucky that I managed to grab my size, because when I look back, I think 2 days after, they were all gone. So the thing is, most of the people here now are like buying them and then they resell it. But for me, I don't resell. I'll just buy one pair for me to use. So that's the one, folks. That's that. So there you go. All right, and that is all for today, unboxing my Air Jordan 1 in low style. And if you haven't, please subscribe, click the all notification bell, so every time we pop something on YouTube, you will get notified. So we'll see you on our next vlog. You have a great day, have a safe day, and God bless you always. Bye.